cheating is a choice and staying faithful is also a choice, is not a mistake. They catch you, you say, baby, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Especially men when they cheat, it's a mistake, but when a woman cheat to them, it's not a mistake. Because you cheat 10 times, your woman cheat maybe once, and she says it's a mistake, you say it's not a mistake. When it comes to women, she have to pack her bags and go back to her parents' house. I don't understand, because we are human beings. Even men, when they are cheating, they think to cheat, they think very well that he is going to have an affair with another person. So sometimes it's not about women or men. You say when it comes to men, it's a mistake, but to women, it's not a mistake. No, we are human beings. Even men, he have got brains, he can think very well that he is going to have affair or what. Because a person who made a mistake is a person who regrets it after catching you and say, I regret it. You have to leave that an affair before his wife find out, or her husband find out about that relationship. Yes, it maybe you can say it's a mistake, but it's not a mistake when your partner catches you now and you say, baby, I'm sorry, it's a mistake. No, you think you know what are you doing, and you know very well what are you saying that it's a mistake. What you understand?